G'day, Dallas here from Dunn Watson, just showing you a range of alternative gas strut fittings. All gas struts are supplied with a metal end or a poly end, however they're just a standard orientation, so if you need something a little bit different, this is our range that's available. So we have our eye bolts in the M8 thread, which is going to suit your 10x22 gas struts. That's obviously when you want to fit that to the end of the gas strut and just run a nut and bolt through it. We have our clevis pin fittings. So same deal, that's your M6, that's your M8. Obviously you fit that to the strut, you put that through whatever you need to. When you put that pin through and down, you've effectively just run a bolt through the end of the fitting. In our angled ends, you can get them in both a metal and a poly. And you'll just see here, they're on a slight camber to the back there. When a strut that was straight on isn't the right angle, it needs a bit of a shoulder out. That's what the angled ends do. Same deal. So you've got these in an M6 and an M8. And obviously you can get them in a metal orientation as well. So there you have it. There's our range of fittings for gas struts. If you have any other questions though, please give us a call or flick us an email.